Machine pec flies. So this is exactly the same technique whether or not you're using a traditional pec deck or one of these plate loaded machines. We want to set it up so that the seat height means that we are finishing the rep with our hand pretty much in line with our nipples, okay? We don't want to be really high up here or too low down. So all you're doing is setting up the seat height so that you finish it with your hands roughly in line with your nipples. And what we want to do here is we want to set up so that we have a slight bend in our elbows at the bottom of the rep to reduce the amount of stress on the shoulders in that lengthened position. And then we want to be extending and squeezing our chest hard at the top of the rep. And the reason we do this is because the primary function of your pec is to adduct or bring your upper arm across your torso. Now, if you keep your arms bent, you don't get to move that upper arm as far across the chest as you do if you extend the arms and therefore maximize that range of motion for the pec, okay? A couple of more advanced tips for this one. We want to take a deep breath in as we come down so that we give the pec more rib cage to stretch around, and then we also want to think about lifting our chest as high as we can at the bottom of the rep, again so that we're increasing the amount of length and range tension we can get on the pecs. And that applies to machine flies, cable flies, any fly variation. We want to take a deep breath and push our chest up at the bottom of the rep, and then we want to straighten our arms to maximize the range of motion we can get at the top of the rep.